Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between will be, will have, and will have been. Many English learners get confused, but today I will explain it very simply. 1. Will, simple future. We use will for future actions, decisions, promises, and predictions. Formula, will plus V1, base verb. Examples: I will call you tomorrow. It will rain today. She will write the exam next week. 2. Will be, future continuous. We use will be for actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Formula, will be plus being. Examples: I will be working at 10 a.m. They will be traveling next month. She will study tonight. She will be preparing dinner when you arrive. 3. Will have, future perfect use, for actions that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Formula, will have plus V3, past participle. Examples: I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. They will have reached the airport before noon. She will have completed the project by Monday. 4. Will have been, future perfect continuous. We use will have been for actions that continue up to a future point. Focus is on duration. Formula, will have been plus being. Examples: I will have been working here for 2 years by next month. She will have been studying for 5 hours by evening. They will have been traveling all night. So remember, will, simple future. Will be, action happening in the future. Will have, action completed before future time. Will have been, action continuing until future time. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.